welcome back to my channel. Today I come with a new amazing video. In this video I am going to talk to you about a new TRX mining website. This website is very special and I give you a complete review about this website. Please watch the video complete so I can explain all the information about this website. Here you can see that the website name is onlinetrx.com, and here you can see that please enter account number, please enter password, please enter the password again, please enter the fund password, please enter the fund password again, and it is my invitation code. You please do not try to change it. It is the my invitation code you need to put here, such as friends I put my here XTYK, I put all information and then enter into the website, such as friends I fill all informations. Friends, you can see that I fill all my information such as my number there, all information I need to put here. First I need to refresh this code. Now put my code here such as 9J dot, and you can see that 2, I first put my J here, then I put here 2 and I click on registered. After clicking on registered, verification code must be error. Now I need to solve it. You can see that now I click on it. Now I registered successfully into the website. You can see that the website provide me a 10,000 TRX other registration. Now I refresh here to show you the notification of this website. This website has many notifications, such as I explain you. First I need to refresh here so notification would show here. Now I will explain you. You can see that I have a 10,000 TRX. First you can see that there are online TRX dot name of website, 3 icons of this website. First is change of language, second is notification. You can check the notification. I click on a contact customer services. These are the contact customer services of this website. Now I go back here. You can see that I click on income introduction, and you can see that I click on a telegram group. These are telegram group, WhatsApp, Telegram, cooperative law paper, the only official website. And in the down friends you can see that these are the awards: 10% for first level, 5% for second level, 2% for third level. These are the rewards of this website. Now you need to go back here. In the down you can see that a 5 to 49,000 TRX, 5% daily, 5.5, 6%, 6.5%. And in the down friends you can see that a 7%, 8%, 9%, and 10%. And in the down you can see that this is a long term stable income telegram. You can see that this. Now you need to go back. After going back you need to click on a game description. After clicking in the game description you can see that after successful registration your wallet account will be rewarded with 10,000 TRX. You can check here. You can check here all information. You can check here. Now you can see that I need to go back here to show you another features of this website. Here the website provide you many types of feature. First I click on share option. This is the very important option. You need to click on a copy link. After copying the link you need to share with your friends, and your friends invest in this website. You can get automatically the registration rewards of your friends. Now click on home option. You can see that after clicking the home option you can need to click on a team option. After clicking the team option, this is the option where website provide you how much you have user in your level 1, level 2, and level 3. Now go back here. You can see that now I click on app option. You can download the app of this app option, the website. Now click on sign up. You can sign out from this website. Here you can see that a basic join to be a drone millionaire, use cloud mining and technology data. All user got the most access revenue. And further in the down you can see that accumulated profit data is that membership of this website data. And in the down front you can see that about us. We are at our best cloud mining offer, a cost effective way of mining TRX and other cryptocurrencies. And further in the down you can see that a global partner of this website is Banas, Bitmina, and others. Now click on a trading option. This website provide you a 6% daily trading. You can check this. Use cloud mining and technology to ensure that all the user got the most access value and USD income. Here you can check this. I click on invest option. Here you can see that it is the invest option. I click on share option. This portion I describe you. This is a portion of investing of TRX. Sorry, sharing of friends. You need to copy this. After copying this link you can share with your friends, and your friends invest in this website. You can get the automatically TRX revenue. And friends you can see that this is the registration code. After registration code you can need to copy this. After copying you need to share with your friends. Now friends I click on a mine option. This is a very special option. Total balance. You have a total balance. This is the deposit option, withdrawal option. Deposit amount is that basic amount to count top up 1 TRX to activate the account and open the turn on the withdrawal functions. Now in the down your friends and see that team option, profit list, transfer to basic account, share option, base notification, gift exchange, app option, change password, sign out. Now friends I click on a deposit option to show you how to deposit in this website. For deposit you need to click on a deposit option. After clicking the deposit option you need such as transfer to basic account. You need to click on a transfer to basic account. After clicking the transfer to basic account you need to copy this address. After copying this address you need to go to your website. First you know that they do not deposit other not address. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes after the recharge to arrive. If you have not received your account for a long time, please refresh this page. Now friends, I go back to show you how to invest in this website. Now friends, I open my trust wallet account to show you how to invest in this website. I open it. Now I refresh here, then I click on send option. I paste my address here. I put an amount of 5 TRX. Now I click on continue. After clicking the continue, I need to send him the 5 TRX to show you how to deposit in this website. Now I click on continue, confirm. After clicking confirm, you can see that my transaction are in a loading. I wait for the complete sending of my amount to the website. Here you can see that it takes about 5 to 10 minutes and saving account balance in my account, but many times it comes instantly. It is due to slow of internet. Now I wait for the complete sending of my amount. You can see that timeout error. I need to refresh here because of slow internet. Now I change it. Friends, here you can see that I sent him a successfully 5 TRX in the website. You can see that the status is pending. Now friends, I go back here. After going back, I need to only click on a recharge completed successfully deposited in the website. You can see that it is recharged successfully of 5 TRX. You can need to go back, and now I am going to describe you how to take a withdrawal from this website. For the withdrawal process, you need to click on a withdrawal. After clicking on the withdrawal, first you can see that your daily withdrawal limit is that. Now you need to put your withdrawal amount, withdrawal bind address. How you can bind your address? You need to click on add address. First you need to paste your address here, such as friends, my address is that. I need to paste here. After clicking paste, you need to click on added successfully. Now click on confirm. After clicking confirm, I need to paste my amount and my address here, such as friends, I put my amount and withdraw here, such as my daily withdrawal limit is 0.25. Now I need to only click on submit. After clicking submit, you can see that my transaction are in withdrawal in under. I wait for the complete review of this website. You can see that I open my friend's account, and you can see check there my transaction not received in my account. I hope friends you like this video and subscribe my channel. Take care, goodbye.